Did you know that the bacteria in the gut of an overweight person is different from the bacteria in the gut of a not overweight person? So what's that got to do with menopause and estrogen? Fascinating stuff. But let me just tie this up in a big bow and say that during menopause, our estrogen levels drop. And how does that affect weight? So it seems like, well, how does that even make sense when we're talking about gut bacteria and gaining weight after menopause? Because people are like, I didn't do anything different. I don't eat any different. I don't exercise any different. And yet I still keep gaining weight around the gut area. So what is the function of the gut bacteria? Literally, it chews up your food and spits out nutrients like B12 and magnesium and all your other B vitamins so that it can get absorbed into the bloodstream. So when it spits out those nutrients, if you don't have the right bacteria in there that are doing that job, then you're not going to get the nutrients down in the cell where the cell metabolizes things, where the powerhouse is, where all of the AMPK and all of those different agents in there that do the metabolism actually allow you to both lose weight and gain weight if you need to. So one of the other things that the gut bacteria does is it actually metabolizes your estrogen. So it doesn't just chew up food and spit out nutrients, it actually metabolizes your estrogen. So if you are deficient in estrogen and you don't have the right bacteria, you could literally create what we call an estrogenic effect or an anti-estrogenic effect, which is one of the reasons why we eat green leafy vegetables and we have anti-cancer effects. It's all relating back to the estrogen. The other thing is the gut-brain axis. There's mood and behavior that's regulated by these gut bacteria. And then after menopause, we're already struggling with enough estrogen and metabolizing our estrogen. And then they wonder why we're crazy. So there's lots of reasons for that. But this is just one of them. So when we get down to weight management, here we go back with our big bow. Basically, we're regulating our inflammation and our immune system in the gut because it is the first barrier to the outside world. When you eat something, it has to be the first defense, because what if you have bacteria or you have a virus or something that is pathogenic that could actually make you sick? Your gut has to mobilize its immune system. So all the functions of the gut, it's kind of a vicious cycle between estrogen affecting the bacteria and the bacteria converting the estrogen.